For 74 degrees in Fort Worth right now. The sun is setting on a beautiful day, but we talked about this yesterday. We knew this was going to be one of the top 5 warmest New Year's days on record, and it was. The official high was 78 degrees, which ties with third place. So now third place will have a 1913 and a 2023. Yeah, 90-year difference between the two, but 78 degrees today, a very warm New Year's Day. 56 is the normal high, so we were 22 degrees warmer than our normal, and the low this morning was 51, much closer to the normal high. Right now, 76 degrees, south winds at 13 miles an hour. So overnight tonight, you can see what's coming, right? You see all the clouds streaming into western portions of Texas. This will all start to thicken up in North Texas, too. This storm system is going to bring us our chance of severe weather tomorrow around midday and certainly into the afternoon. So let's time that out for you. First thing, let me show you this. This is that risk map. Level 1 marginal risk when the thunderstorms get here for Denton down to parts of Tarrant County, down through Johnson and Hill counties, all the way up to Cook County. You see how narrow this is. The cutoff is going to be pretty sharp. Okay, western portions of North Texas likely won't even see rain, let alone anything severe. And right now the level 2 is in eastern Dallas County, kind of our eastern counties here, from Navarro County, Kaufman, most of Van Zant. However, East Texas is now under a level 3 enhanced risk. Paris, Sulphur Springs, Mineola, eastern Van Zant County, eastern Henderson County, all included in that. That's the best chance to see severe weather. The number one concern, some damaging wind gusts, some large hail. That orange shaded area does have that chance to see a couple of tornadoes. Now, the overall risk is low for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but it's not zero. Let me show you what's going on. So if we go through the overnight, clouds stream back in, they get thicker. So tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. is just spotty showers. This is not severe stuff. We get into midday. This may, we have some thunderstorms at this time. Most of this still isn't severe. It's really once you get into 1, 2, and 3 o'clock, you'll start to see yellows and oranges pop up more frequently here on the map. That's where you could have a couple of severe thunderstorms. You'll see the returns aren't so bright right here and where that level 1 marginal risk was, but as we head into 3 o'clock, you can see where the thunderstorms start to get stronger. So this is why eastern portions of North Texas are under that level 3 enhanced risk. That's where the thunderstorms will be more numerous and potentially more severe. With that tornado risk, again, some large hail, damaging wind gust. This is over by 5 or 6 o'clock. I mean, this is not an all-day thing, and it's certainly not an all-night thing. The cold front moves into the Metroplex around 8 p.m. That may trigger another really thin line of showers or storms east of the Metroplex. That will not be severe, but it could bring a little bit of rain and some thunder before it all comes to an end. So here's another little breakdown. The most likely time to see a severe thunderstorm between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. for the areas shaded in purple here. Please note, not everyone's going to see severe weather tomorrow. In DFW, it's just isolated thunderstorms. The higher coverage, like we just showed you, is well east of the Metroplex. Then if you go into the area where the level 3 enhanced risk is, between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., that includes Paris and Clarksville, Sulphur Springs, Canton and Athens. That's the time that you may see some severe weather. So again, not an all-day thing necessarily, and it'll certainly come to an end by the evening. We will keep you updated all throughout the night. WFAA.com, our app. Tomorrow morning with Greg Fields, we got you covered. Tonight, 63 degrees, warmer and breezy. Tomorrow, 74. Some strong to severe thunderstorms are expected. There's the next 10 days. A little bit cooler, too, as we head into the work week. 64 will be your high on Tuesday. Then we're down into the mid-50s for Wednesday and Thursday. Back up into the mid-60s for Saturday. And it stays fairly comfortable with more chances for thunderstorms by the end of the 10-day.